So after I posted the video on a perfect green screen, that is how to do the green screen effect on your video edits, that is using the CapCut app, I was going to my notifications, that is the notifications from the comments I got, and yes, next 39 gave a comment. He said, I want to do the opposite, that is, how do I take a video and make it into a green screen template for something else? So if I get you correctly, you mean you already have your project, or your project or whatever you want to have on a green screen. For example, I am the subject, that is the subject matter. You want just me to be the subject, and then you want to have a green background where you can be able to add me to any other background, or add whatever subject you have to any other background. If I'm right, then I have an answer for you. I'm Samuel Favor and this is Techlensive, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can be able to create your own green screen template effect that you can be able to put on any video you want to. So first of all, if you're going to be using the CapCut application, just note that this effect will work a whole lot more better on human beings. It can also work on object, but 100% on human beings, and especially if you're going to be using, or if you're going to be editing using your PC to edit. Now, if you're going to be using your PC to edit, you already know that auto removal is free on PC, but it's actually not free on your mobile, except you're using the pro version of CapCut. Now, CapCut has done a little more tweaks to their software. And yes, for those in the US, don't worry, CapCut is now back to the US. So let's head right down into our system so that I'll show you how you can be able to do this seamlessly, easily, and flawlessly. So first things first, what you would have to do is you would have to impute the video you want to make a green screen. Let me say I'll put this. So this is a family. I want to put this family in a green screen so that I can be able to add them to whatever video I want to whatever background, or so I will call them my projects. Yes, so this is the project I will be using for this. From here, let's say I'll cut them off, Ctrl B to cut, and I'll delete it. And so I have just this. So I told you on CapCut PC, the auto cut out function is free. So from here you can see this doesn't have the pro feature on it. So I'll do auto cut out. Now you've seen it has just cut out just the people. That is just the subject. So let's say this is your subject. So you're already done with the first step of it. It's actually that simple. So the next step is for you to add your green screen. Now what you do is if you don't have a green background or a green picture, you can go on the internet and search for green. When I get to the image section, I'll just pick one green color that I like. And let's say this one, I click on it. When it comes out, I'll just download it to my system, save image. I'll drag it from the download section, that is from wherever it's saved on my picture, on my laptop, or wherever it's saved on your laptop. So when you see it, this is the way it would look, or depending on the format in which you downloaded yours. So for mine, this is the way mine is. So I would have to put this to be at the back of the main project. So what I would do is I would scale this and I would adjust this to fit. So it's fitted. So this is the green background that you're seeing. So what I would do is I would have to take the main project and put it at the top of it so that it will come to the front. So I would scale this, bring this down, and when I play the video, you can see that they are in the green background. So I've already created my template. So whenever I want to use this video in whatever background I please, let's say I scale this, I make it to fit the size I want. I delete this. Whenever I play this video, you can see that I just have this. So I have made my own green screen templates. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now this is how you can be able to turn any subject into a green screen template to use it for whatever purpose you want to use it for. You can still do the same thing, that is with an animal figure or with even an object. Just use the auto cutout. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, likely you have gotten to understand in depth how you can be able to create the green screen effect. If this was helpful, do well to give me a subscribe, like this video, and share it to your friend that is a video editor that would also want to know how to create their own green screen templates. I'll see you in my video. And yes, do well to use the code that you're seeing on your screen to get a product from the ORAIMO store, or you can check the description below and you will see a link that you'd click and you'll get a 5% discount on whatever product you get from the ORAIMO store in any country in Africa. I'll see you in my next video, and yeah, peace.